Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a night routine with me and my kids. So I don't have any particular way that I like to do my night routine, but one thing I like to do is I either like to bathe Kai first when Milani is sleeping, or I like to bathe Milani first, then put her down and give her something to watch, and then I go and shower Kai.
Choose that, choose that, choose that, choose that, choose that. What's up? What's up?
What are you asking? What's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Shower and shower Kai. I give him his toothbrush and his toothpaste, and his toothpaste is made especially for kids, and he brushes his teeth himself. So that is what we're doing. And I also use the Dr. Banner's Pure Castile soap to shower my kids, and if I don't use that, I use my Dial antibacterial. Then now I get Get out the shower, I like to lotion him up with my Honest lotion. It has lavender. It has lavender in it, and it's very soothing and calming, and he has been using that lotion since he was a baby and he loves it. It kind of tones him down, get him ready to go to bed, and I put on his clothes and stuff. And his sister normally stays pretty quiet if she's watching something on the phone that she wants to watch, but if not, she'll probably start screaming, so I make sure I hurry up and get to her. But this day she was sleeping, so I sat in the dark with her and had a snack. I think I was eating cereal right here. And while I bathe Milani, Kai normally runs around the house, or he plays with his toys, or he goes in his room, or he watches something on his phone. Now it's time for Milani to take a bath, and I like to put her in her blooming bath and I shower her. She's almost grown out of it, and as you can see, she's getting big. Say hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi, Milani. Now we're just here playing and chilling right before bed. Kai, what are you doing with the remote?
Why? W.
W.
Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
And I like to have Kai fall asleep in my bed. So I'll give him the phone to watch a little bit, and then I take it from him, and then he will go to sleep. Normally go to sleep between 8:30 and 9:30, and I normally start their night routine from about 7:30 p.m. or no, from 7 to 7:30 p.m. So when they're done, I make sure I turn off all the lights, lay in bed with them. I'll probably make them watch a little bit of Baby Bum or something for a few minutes, and then I'll take the phone and it's time for them to go to sleep. And since Kai has been co-sleeping since the day he was born, and we're actually now trying to take him out of co-sleeping so he can sleep by himself, which has been a pretty difficult transition. So I like for him to fall asleep in our bed, and then I his room and put him to sleep in his bed. And I'll do a whole video on his bed because I think I did a pretty awesome job with his bedroom. And after I do that, the light is normally blue, so I turn it red so the lighting in his room can be a little bit more conducive with his sleeping, because blue is very bright. So I put it on red, and he normally sleeps like that. It's time for me to get myself ready for bed, and normally by about 9:30, 10 they're sleeping. So it's now my turn to get ready, and I like to take a shower. I'll link my shower routine for you guys. I did a whole in-depth video of my shower routine, and nothing has changed. So if you want to see that, check the cards above. And then I go into my skincare. I haven't done a skincare video in a while, but right here my skin was breaking out, so I needed to my skincare. I've been neglecting my skin, especially during this quarantine. Been neglecting myself, period. But this night I made sure I did my skincare routine. And then I went to bed. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys finally got to see Kai and Milani. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for them to see them and where they're at and all of that. Well, here you have a video. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.